the Vale of Rheidol, and it's in just outside Aberystwyth, and it's a train station with a bit of a difference because it's a narrow gauge classic train which will take you through the mountains, the Cambrian Mountains, from Aberystwyth right through to the Devil's Bridge. I'm on the first class carriage here, and we're on the Vale of Rheidol locomotive trip between Aberystwyth and through to Devil's Bridge. It's about 12 miles on a narrow gauge track through the beautiful Cambrian Mountains, through the beautiful Welsh countryside. It's a real trip of nostalgia in a way, because you get to ride in this beautiful carriage, and the journey itself is just fabulous. Lots of toot-tooting and lots of smoke and countryside and tunnels, and really you're going along the edge of the mountainside. You can see for miles through the valley, through the Cambrian hills, and I'd really recommend this trip as a fabulous day trip from Aberystwyth straight through to the Devil's Bridge. You can have a look around there for an hour, and then the train will bring you back again to Aberystwyth.